Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to use Legendre polynomials in MATLAB. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you have a certain unknown function that you would like to approximate using a bunch of Legendre polynomials, so I will be showing you how to use Legendre polynomials in MATLAB today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to zoom in a bit so the code's easier to see. And for this, we're first going to type some x. So this basically gives x a symbol, because in MATLAB, essentially, you can't really have an output that is in terms of variables such as x. The output has to be a number. But if you type some x, then this basically this basically makes x a symbol in MATLAB, and you can get the Legendre polynomial or whatever it is that you want in terms of x to actually be returned in MATLAB with the symbol x. Yeah, so it should be sims x, sorry. And then for the Legendre polynomial, you're just going to type Legendre p, that's here, and you're going to type a pair of curly brackets, and then the degree of the polynomial will be whatever number that you would like. So that will be the first entry. It's the degree of the polynomial. So if I say 2, and then the next input will be what I want my equation or my polynomial in terms of, so the independent variable of my polynomial, and I'm going to let that be x. Now if I run this, as you can see in the command window, I get back my Legendre polynomial of degree 2. And that is basically it. Now obviously, if you want a numerical answer, then you can just put a number of any sort there in place of the x, and you'll get the numerical answer. You get the Legendre polynomial at that value. And that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to use Legendre polynomials in MATLAB, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.